Hey guys, want to draw Bitcoin support and resistance levels like a pro? Let's do it step by step. First, go to edutrader.org. Open the website, find the cryptocurrency section, and click on the first Bitcoin trading post. Scroll down, and you'll see a list of levels. Copy all of them. Next, open TradingView. Select the Bitcoin Perpetual Binance chart. Click on the Indicators section, search for EMC Levels Indicator, and add it to the chart. Now, go to the indicator settings, paste those levels you copied, change the style to your liking, and hit Save. Boom! Your Bitcoin support and resistance levels are drawn. Watch my next video to learn how to trade with these indicators. Like and subscribe for more.